All right. So what exactly are the tools that we're using and how are we using them? If you're not familiar with the funnel concept, you can think of the funnel at the top of the funnel here. That's like meeting somebody in a conference. You're exchanging business cards. You know that you have enough overlap where it potentially warrants a conversation in the future, but you don't really know the person yet. You don't trust them. At the bottom of the funnel, that conversation has developed to the point where you're ready to sit down and talk about business. That's the concept of the marketing funnel. That's what we're going to be focused on for the rest of this presentation. So the tools that we love at the top of the funnel: email, phone, LinkedIn, snail mail still works well. Whatever it is that we're doing, we'd like it to be integrated. So again, data is a big part of what we do. If you're going to be calling somebody, you ideally should be able to follow up on email, connect with them on LinkedIn, get them in your network so they can see you're posting on an ongoing basis. If you're sending out a snail mail or a drop note, ideally you should be able to follow that up with something that's trackable, right? Something where you can send an email, lob in a call, and continue in a multi-channel campaign. Now, mid to bottom of the funnel, to stay in touch with your prospect, to stay in front of your prospect, you have LinkedIn posting on an ongoing basis, very effective if you can make sure that you're getting your messaging out in front of the right eyeballs, helping to establish you as a qualified authority in your area or industry niche. Articles, rolling people into a newsletter, retargeting, email marketing, using testimonials for social proof. It's all somewhat overwhelming when you get into the tools and how they're used. But basically, once you've nailed your top of the funnel outreach, right? If you're getting in front of the right business owners and the right referral prospects on a daily basis, right? You put that into a system. You're enriching the data so you have everything you need for a call or a sales meeting or to contact them on your own or however you want going forward. Now, at that point, the most important part of deal origination over time is to stay in front of them, stay in front of that 95% who aren't going to be ready at that first pass. So the large majority of prospects who you need to nurture, to stay in front of, to track the hell out of, so you know exactly when to reach out, when the timing is finally right for the prospect to have that conversation about entering into engagement, that's what's important. So we do this, we set this up and manage this for our clients with our funnel automation platform. If you're one of our top of the funnel outreach partners, so if we're running a program for you, you know that we're tracking everything. By that, I mean, who clicks what, how many times, who's visiting a landing page or your website's sell a business page. We track all this data so we can use it later for your funnel campaign. So, if we've sent somebody a link to your website or to a landing page we've created, then if that prospect is clicking through and visiting a certain page multiple times, we know this and we can automatically set up a sales task for you or enter the prospects into a specific campaign just for them, just for their specific persona type, right? So if they're visiting your sell a business page, we can enter them into a campaign that's focusing on the value prop for selling a business with you, for example. We do all of this, no extra work for you, none. So let me show you what this looks like.